Hey, Frank, here we are, February 3rd, 2026. Isn't it funny to say February like February, like really draw it out? Anyhow, here we are, SPX 1 day chart. Markets, looking precarious here. Starting off with the wedge pattern, and yes, we are beneath the wedge, under the wedge, below the wedge. Yesterday we caught a little bit of a bid, and look at this bearish engulfing candle right here, huh? This whole thing engulfing the one before. Let's see what we got. Let's do the all patterns here. I don't see it. All patterns isn't giving us the bearish engulfing, like you see BE bearish engulfing, right? But this looks like a bearish engulfing, so we'll wait and see on that. I'm thinking markets got some more selling to do. In the meantime, moving on to Bitcoin. Yes, indeed. The price did hit this line here. Actually went underneath a little bit here. So I had this support level that I drew from here to here, connecting these pivot points here. And then it does appear that it hit that, maybe came in a little bit more, and then it's since rallied. Waiting and seeing. Now, if we're thinking this is a head and shoulder pattern, we're definitely below the neckline. So I went over this in the previous video. So how you calculate these, so shoulder, head, shoulder, you calculate the measured move by drawing from the top to the neckline and then taking that retracement and then superimposing it to where it broke below the neckline. So that's what I did there. I took this measured move and just moved it over here, and it looks like the measured move is down to 35,575, and I think it could do it. Sure, why not? So another thing I wanted to show you is I do like fibs. So this is a monthly chart, okay? What I want to do is see if we can find some confluence. So I'm going to go ahead and do the fib retracement. And I'm going to start down here at the start of the move, which is around 15,473, left to right to the top there. And yeah, I'm thinking 618 is a good possible level it could come down to, maybe go a little bit long there. And then ultimately, this would be, for me, the bigger level. I mean, the measured move is also around that area too. 786 is 39,000. Let's wait and see. From a more, let me get rid of that. So this also looks to me like, if you study flag patterns at all, this looks like a bear flag. So bear flag, it's like kind of an L shape to the downside, and then kind of goes down from there. So we got bear flag, 1, 2, 3 red candles. So let's see what happens. I think we're going to be coming in a little bit more, but here's the other thing. I want to also kind of contradict myself here a little bit, just a little. So the other thing to kind of notice is that this could also be a double bottom of sorts, so we did tag this here. So this could be a double bottom here. So we could see a little bit of an upside. If we keep going down further, I'm thinking that 618 fib level is good. One last chart I want to share, and that is everybody's favorite meme stock, GameStop. So this here is a weekly chart, and this is a big old wedge. Look at this thing. So we're going back to 2002, but if you see here, do this high here, connecting to this high here, and then this formation here on the base, connecting here to here for the base. So taking a wait and see approach. I think if we breach this top line here and we get some confirmation above, we could see some more upside on GameStop. Where could it go? Well, first obvious level is maybe this one right here. So that would be around $64, 65 bucks. And then, it's always kind of fun to just put on the all chart pattern and see what it says. So it's saying we're in a bearish pennant falling wedge. I mean, it's all these contradicting indicators. So let's just turn that off because that's just going to confuse me and everybody else. let's just stick with the simple wedge. Watch the wedge on the weekly. That's all I got for today. Hope you're having a great day. See you in the next video.